Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Asana for product launch planning, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Asana for product launch planning, begin by creating an Asana account. Visit the Asana website and click on Get Started. Enter your email address and create a password. You will receive a confirmation email. Click the link provided to verify your account. Once you're logged in, create a new workspace by selecting Create New Workspace from the sidebar. Name your workspace something relevant, like Product Launch Team. Next, set up a project specifically for your product launch. Click on the plus icon and select Project. Choose the project layout that best fits your team's workflow, such as board or list. Enter a project name, like Product Launch Plan. After creating the project, invite team members to collaborate. Click on Share in the project view and enter their email addresses. Assign roles and responsibilities for your team members throughout the project. Utilize Asana's task feature by clicking Add Task. For each task, provide a clear title and detailed description. Set deadlines by selecting the due date option for each task. If applicable, assign tasks to specific team members to enhance accountability. Organize tasks into sections for better visibility within the project. Use the Add Section button to create categories, such as research, development, or marketing. Encourage team members to update task progress regularly. Implement milestones to track significant steps in your product launch. Click on the Milestones tab to add essential milestones, like prototype completed or final testing. Integrate Asana with other tools like Slack or Google Drive for a seamless workflow. To connect these tools, navigate to Apps and follow the prompts for integration. Regularly review project progress in team meetings and adjust timelines as necessary. Use the reporting features in Asana to analyze progress and productivity. Ensure all team members are aligned with the project goals. Foster open communication within Asana through comments on tasks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.